he says, "Don't worry, hold my hand. You're good. You're safe." I remember a couple of years ago there was a big snowstorm in Muncie, and I walked across. I walked through my lawn in a foot of snow. And I stood up the street and I called my little daughter. I said, "Come to Tati." He says, "I can't. It's high snow." I said, I walked in it already. Just put your little feet in my footsteps. You're good. Wow. You can fit there. Hashem has planned our life, and we think we're in control, and we want to do things. And Hashem says, "I've planned everything. Just walk in my footsteps, and let go, and things will be great." The reason I want to talk about this because I think there's it's worth a whole episode. It's okay, we have to.
Well, how does one figure out?
Well, I want to talk about that. That's what I want to talk about. I think we should step back. Forget about now the wordings to Lolechas. Just discuss Emineh Bitochen. Because I think it's it's mamash our fundamental in life. So we have a mitzvah of Emineh and Bitochen. There's so much confusion. What's Emineh? What's Bitochen? I'm working on my Emineh, not yet my Bitochen. I'm working on my Bitochen. You know what I mean? So that's what you're in. So if I could challenge you,
please.
Wie in the Torah, where in the Torah does it say Emineh?
I think nowhere.
So or if it's a mitzvah d'oraisa in the Torah,
it's a mitzvah d'oraisa.
It's one of the 613. I'm glad you said the word lahamin. The Rambam begins with that. But the first mitzvah lahamin, to believe.
If it's the first mitzvah of the Rambam, it's supposed to be in Parshas Bereishis.
Not necessarily. He doesn't go in that. No.
Oh, it doesn't go in order?
No.
The other one goes.
Who? Yeah. So, no. If it's a Saif Mitzvah, no, I get it. If you do like Taryag Mitzvah, like Shvias Banach.